Hiking in London Club. Discovering the wonders of Pisa, Italy. A personal journey. As a traveller, I was fascinated by the rich history and culture of Italy, especially the city of Pisa. My recent trip was a memorable one, with the iconic Leaning Tower and beautiful churches and museums. I started with a visit to the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was 56 meters tall and leaned at an angle of 3.97 degrees, making it a unique and must-visit landmark. Climbing to the top was a challenge with steep stairs, but the views were breathtaking. Next, I visited the Pisa Cathedral, a beautiful example of Romanesque architecture. It was home to many artworks, including the bronze door by Bonanno Pisano and the pulpit by Giovanni Pisano. The cathedral also had a beautiful cloister with lush gardens and intricate carvings and frescoes. I also visited the Camposanto Monumentale cemetery, said to have soil from the Holy Land. It was home to many artworks, including frescoes by Taddeo Gaddi, and had a peaceful atmosphere, making it a great place to relax. One of my favorite experiences was visiting the Museo dell'Opera del Duomo, which had a collection of art and artifacts from the cathedral and other important buildings in the city. Highlights included the bronze doors by Bonanno Pisano, the pulpit by Giovanni Pisano, and a beautiful collection of frescoes and carvings. I ended my trip at the Piazza de Miracoli, a large square surrounded by lush gardens and home to many important buildings and monuments. It was a great place to relax and take in the sights and sounds of the city. In conclusion, Pisa is a city rich in history and culture, with a unique blend of architectural wonders, art, and natural beauty. Whether you're interested in history, art, or just a peaceful escape, Pisa is definitely worth a visit. My personal journey through the city inspired me to discover the wonders of Pisa, and I hope it will inspire you too.